Want a rubber glove? It's no fun if there's no OSHA violations around here. Why is it every time I'm trying to film a video, you're always cutting up cardboard? He's always cutting up cardboard. It's like, I don't know how many YouTube videos we have, or videos we have, of Rob just cutting up cardboard in the background. It is 9 o'clock, it's a work night, and we gotta see if we could get this all disassembled, because I'm traveling for work. What's gonna happen is, I'm gonna send this into the machine shop so it gets done while I'm gone for a month. Plus, Rob doesn't have to look at this hideous, ugly block. It's eventually gonna be beautiful, but as you can see, it does spin though. Not talking about the engine stand, but since Rob touched the engine stand, this is one of the newer engine stands from Harbor Freight, and to be honest, I like it. And we do need grease though. But yeah, as you can see, look, it's kind of hard to see in the camera, but that actually moves really nice. Here's the plan. If you guys have been watching the 454 video, no, not, why am I saying 454? If you guys have been watching the K20 video, this 454 is not from that K20. So I actually bought another 454 here. And the whole goal is, as you can see here, for 500 bucks, it wasn't a bad deal. Got it myself an engine here. Got some heads and some miscellaneous parts. A lot of the parts we're not going to use. We're probably going to reuse the heads. I'm going to send those in the machine shop. So those are pretty much ready to just send in the machine shop, pay the guy whatever, and for him to work on it. And we're going to break this down. We had to run to the parts store. Had to go to the parts store so we could get that harmonic balancer off. But yeah, that's pretty much the goal. So we're getting this disassembled. I don't know what I'm going to do exactly. I know for a fact that this whole entire build, when it comes to the 454, is going to be a low or a high, low-end torque, producing motor. That's kind of the goal here, right? Not gonna, it's gonna probably be a bigger bore. Not gonna stroke it out or anything like that. You guys can see here, maybe go with flat tappets or go with roller lifters, but definitely this whole platform is gonna have port injection. So that's kind of like the goal here once we get everything kind of built. So we'll go ahead and start dismantling this, and you'll see guys tomorrow once we get this all dismantled. We'll go ahead and send it into the truck. So this is gonna be a fun little project here. Ow. I hit my hand. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. There you go. It was just crusty. And that's why you wear shoes, kids. It's no fun if there's no OSHA violations around here. It's a lot easier than the other two. Eight for eight. I lift it straight up. Well, my end caps pop open. Yeah, no. Okay. Ta-da. There you go. Now we're cooking. There you go. And as requested from the machine shop, we got to put the caps back on. hop outside?
Yeah.
Time to call it a night. See you guys in the morning, or see you guys in the daytime. Alright, now it's the daytime. So, last night, we got this thing all disassembled. I gotta let him know about this rear cap that I mentioned yesterday, which was sketch, but Jared's here with me.
Hello.
So, the goal is to get it into that truck.
It's right over there. And then that's going to go in there. But
yes.
Right now it has another one of those in there, and it's not happy. But this one's going to be nice and happy, and it's going to be modified, and it's going to go vroom, 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 and it's going to make that thing go boom, boom, boom. And I'm going to hold a stick with a camera attached to it because I can't do both. And I'm going to watch Nick, and then I'm going to make fun of him.
Now watch me fuck up. This has to go behind here, so we can hook it up, turn it around, and put it behind there. Oh, truck's broken.
You're gonna scratch that one.
Yeah. You think it'll polish off?
Oh yeah, that's you can just polish that
dude.
rust and.
I'm missing a chunk of paint there.
Yeah, you're missing also a bunch of chunks of metal.
Tisby free.
I am not tism free. That math ain't math in there, bud. Just pick it up out of the cherry picker. You know how fast you need the jacket.
How it always doing.
Yeah. Time for me to be cameraman again. Yeah. See?
Alright.
You always gotta make sure you wrap your wood. That way you don't get it too dirty. What's that handy dandy specialty tool you got there?
The adjustable hammer. I got the adjustable hammer, and you wanna look at it dropping?
Yeah. I really want you.
No, you don't want to watch me.
Yeah.
No, you want to watch the engine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Things are going down. Things are going way down for this block, as you can see here.
Off to a new adventure.
All right, Miss Frizzle.
Low key, I'm pretty sure she was a magician and a kidnapper. But we're gonna ignore that fact because that was a good show.
What? The Magic School Bus?
Yes.
I don't think anything was magical about the Magic School Bus.
I mean, they kind of invaded people's bodies and like did a bunch of like.
How's that magical?
Yeah, it's kind of racist, but.
Wait, why are we talking about the Magic School Bus? This is an automotive channel.
Alrighty, we're off on our trip.
Oh shoot, I'm not wearing my seatbelt.
It's a 70s vehicle. God damn it.
I was saying, that was a joke.
Oh. I ruined it. But there's the block. There's the Nick. There's the truck. And we're inhaling carbon monoxide right now because this truck is well ventilated.
Got a nice suit and everything. Look at you.
Dirty before I go home. This podcast are heavy.
Hey, your socket or his?
Huh?
Your socket or his?
That's my socket. I brought it just in case, but he's already prepared.
Yes, sir.
All right. We'll take it from here and get her handle for you.
Darren, I appreciate you.
All right. Thank you, guys.
All right,
Have
take
a good
care.
one.
Thank you. Alrighty guys, we're on our way back. That was a good little stop. What did you think of the shop, Nick?
I feel very confident. Very confident.